Oh, guys, you shouldn't sneak up on me like that. I was almost done. But I am glad you're here. Beard Grmng, since you helped found the company on Kickstarter back in March, we've been working on ways to make the beard industry a greener place. And coming up with ideas like printing the recipes on our mustache waxes so you can refill the tins, designing sustainably sourced boar bristle beard brushes that we're releasing right now, and filling Tide Pods full of beard oil to eliminate packaging. Admittedly, not everything's gonna work out, but we do have things like the Sapling Mustache Brush and comb here that can help you go from this to this. But we also turn things like our tree-topped mustache wax here into trees. We don't just sell beard products and plant trees. We teach beardsmen how to make their own products. For instance, our tree-topped mustache wax comes with a recipe right on the back. So you can go from this to this, or possibly this, depending on what oil you put into the mix. We use hemp seed oil in our beard waxes and mustache waxes, but you can use a different carrier oil depending on what works best for your beard. Beard Grmng is 100% ready for production, and our reforestation partners are on the ground in national forests across America planting trees right now. All they need is our support. Thank you so much for backing and helping to make the bearded world a greener place.